Morning, everybody. Welcome to week 5 of eSchool. In today's video, I'm going to talk through some kind of unique things that we're going to do today in Module 14A, which is going to be a module that really gives you some time to catch up, to reflect on how literacy is going, and if you're on top of all your schoolwork, it's actually going to give you some time to get ahead. So for today, you're going to be working on Intro to Week 5. You're watching the Intro to Week 5 video. You're going to work on 5.4 May 4th. Crazy. May the 4th be with you. Is that how the joke goes? Anyway, Module 14A. And you are going to read and update your IR homework for week 5. Okay, so I just wanted to start with an overview of the week, just so you can kind of see where we're going, and because today, as I said, might be an opportunity for you to get ahead, and I kind of want you to know, like, where, I want you to think about where you might be able to, what you might be able to do today. So, today our goal is to reflect, to catch up, to get ahead. In our next module, Module 14B, we're going to read about the science of gratitude. That's going to be more of a reading-heavy module. And then in Module 15A, we're going to review and reflect on last week's letter. So we're going to look back at those letters of gratitude, and we're going to do some reflection. And then in our last module for this week, Module 15B, you're going to be reading a story, a short story that is about gratitude and is about how we help each other in ways that are good and in ways that are maybe not so good. Okay. So you'll see that there's Module 14 is kind of split, and then Module 15 is kind of split. Basically, what we want to do this week is give you a little bit less work, still pace it out so that if you're working for an hour each day, you should finish all of this in time. But we wanted to just give you a little bit more space to kind of see, like, what do I need to catch up on, and what can I get ahead on so that I can be really successful this week. Our topics for this week are, as I said just a minute ago, gratitude, appreciation, and reflection. So our agenda for today is pretty simple. Our objectives are that students will be able to reflect on their progress in 8th grade e-literacy and in eSchool in general. And students will be able to catch up on missing assignments or get ahead on the modules for week 5. So pro tip for today. Today, you are going to be looking at your grades and looking at what assignments you've turned in, what assignments are missing, and what grades you've received in eSchool so far. A pro tip here is that you need to use Infinite Campus to check your grades. If you go through Student Portal, sometimes you'll see grades that are just not updated. So if you go to Infinite Campus, and there is a video linked in your module, but I'm also here to help you if you need help figuring out where to look. Infinite Campus will have the most up-to-date grades. You're going to be looking at your reading class, not your writing class. And then the last thing I want to point out is that you're going to be actually breaking it down into which assignments from eSchool are in the gradebook. So you're going to fill out this table with the grades that you've received for eSchool so far. The assignments in the table are those that are currently in Infinite Campus. You should also check Google Classroom and make sure that you've completed all modules. You should check Edulastic and make sure you've completed all mastery checks. But I think the first place to start, and the place that I'm going to ask you to start, is really looking at your grades and seeing, like, okay, based on the grades that have gone into the grade book, I'm going to prioritize those first if I'm missing any assignments. You'll put the grade you've received, and if you haven't received a grade, if it's blank, so not if it says 0, but if it's actually just blank, there's nothing there, then just write not graded yet. That'll probably be the case for the last assignment. And then in this next column, if you were satisfied with the grade, if you got 100%, like, you're good. Put a check mark. If you got a 90% and you're like, you know what, I'm good, that's fine. Put a check mark. If you're not satisfied, explain what you're going to do next. So say, I'm going to email Ms. Stark, I'm going to redo this assignment, I'm going to catch up on IR, whatever. Explain what you're going to do next in that box. And then just a few notes about resubmitting. So if you want to resubmit a module, here's what you should do. 1, redo it and resubmit it on Google Classroom. 2, email me and explain what you would like to have regraded. So specifically, like, you need to tell me what specifically you changed and what you want me to give you credit for. Let's look at this example down here. So for example, hi Mrs. Stark, I just wanted to let you know that I've resubmitted module 2. I was missing my IR summary at the bottom. This was way back early on when we had that IR summary at the bottom, but I've now completed it. Thank you. Okay, so send an email that says specifically, here's what I changed. Otherwise, it's really hard for me, especially with those earlier modules, to look and see what's different. So just tell me what you want to get credit for. Okay, if you want to redo a mastery check on Edulastic, email me the name of the MC you want to redo, and I will send you the directions for corrections or for redoing those mastery checks. If you haven't taken one, go in Edulastic and see if you can still take it. If you like take a mastery check, then just email me after. And then the last note here is just to be patient. So if you complete these steps, you send me that email, you've resubmitted your work, be patient with me. I anticipate that a lot of people are going to be resubmitting work today, and it's probably going to take me a week to get all of those grades in. So if I've not updated your grade in 1 week, please email me a reminder. Please do not email me a reminder like this afternoon asking why your grade is not updated. It's just going to take me a little bit of time. All right. That is all for today. Good luck. I'm excited to do some check-ins with all of you, and I'm wishing you a great start to week 5.